BMW X3 silhouette appears. First trace of the iconic body lines. Assembly begins. Orange wireframe reveals the kidney grille, windows, and wheel arches. Structure defined. Full metallic Arctic gray-blue body materializes. Studio light reflects off smooth panels. Vehicle rotates to 3/4 front view. Grille area highlighted in blue glow. Kidney grills separate. Radiator visible behind. Airflow simulation demonstrates cooling path. Body becomes transparent. Internal layout shown. Engine bay, cabin, cargo zones. Hood lifts open. Engine block revealed with orange intake runners and ignition points. Engine explodes. Cylinder head, intake, exhaust. Particle shows air-fuel path. All engine parts reassemble. Hood closes. Body rotates to driver side view. Driver door outer panel lifts. Impact beam and speaker housing visible inside cavity. Front wheel assembly slides outward. Brake caliper and rotor now fully exposed. Brake caliper pads pinch rotor. Orange sparks simulate braking friction briefly. Suspension strut appears. Spring compresses and rebounds. Damping effect visualized in blue. Chassis rails and cross members highlighted. Structure flexes slightly, then returns rigid. Rear hatch lifts open. Cargo floor and spare tire well shown in cutaway. Passenger door opens. Dashboard, screen, and air vent pathway traced in orange. Center screen floats forward. Startup animation plays. ECU box blinks green LEDs. Full exploded view. Doors, hood, hatch, wheels separated. Blue reference lines appear. Engine cutaway shows pistons moving. Crankshaft rotates. Timing chain loops around gears. Transmission cutaway. Planetary gear set spins. Power flow arrow moves from engine to driveshaft. Driveshaft connects to rear differential. Side gears mesh. Torque splits between wheels. Exhaust system appears. Catalytic converter glows orange. Gas particles turn gray. Cooling system circulates blue particles. Radiator, pump, and engine jacket shown. Fuel tank feeds pump and injectors. Green droplets spray into intake ports. Steering wheel turns left. Rack and pinion moves. Front wheels respond accordingly. Brake pedal actuates master cylinder. ABS pump sends pressure to all 4 calipers. Electrical system pulse travels from battery to alternator to fuse box and lights. LED headlights, daytime running lights, and turn signals sequence through 3 flashes. Tire tread close-up shows grooves. Blue particle simulates water evacuation channel. All parts reassemble from exploded state. Orange flash at each contact point. Operation begins. Headlights on. Engine rumbles. Wheels rotate slowly on rolling road. Airflow field appears. Green lines show air moving over roof and mirrors. Brake lights flash twice. Front suspension compresses under deceleration, then rebounds. Steering wheel turns 45 degrees left. Arc line traces turning radius on table. Eco Pro mode engaged. Pistons stop. Blue badge and green leaf particle appear. Disassembly starts. Hood, doors, bumpers, and wheels float outward simultaneously. Engine block slides sideways. Transmission moves rearward. Both hover outside chassis. Battery and underfloor battery packs slide out. Cables disconnect with a pop. Exhaust assembly lowers. Fuel tank drops. Brake calipers detach from hubs. Seats float upward. Dashboard and steering wheel slide forward through windshield area. Body shell fades to orange wireframe. Assembly shrinks slightly on the workshop table. Specification holograms appear. Torque, power, efficiency, weight. Each pulses once. Wireframe X3 rotates full circle. Orange glow expands outward and contracts back. Wireframe fades to empty table. Final orange particle rises. Demonstration complete.